Good evening, viewers. You are watching today's edition of Didie News. I'm Agnisa Maulida Nurahma, here with the latest and most reliable information. Tonight top story. Explosion during ammunition disposal in Garut claims 13 lives. A powerful explosion occurred on Monday morning, May 12, 2025 around 9:30 a.m. during the disposal of expired ammunition by the Indonesian National Armed Forces in Sagara Village, Cibalong District. The tragic incident claimed 13 lives. 4 of them were TNI soldiers and the other 9 were civilians who happened to be near the site. The blast happened suddenly as the team was setting up detonators in a disposal pit. According to the TNI, this kind of operation is a routine procedure aimed at preventing danger from unusable munitions. However, the presence of civilians at the location has raised serious concerns about the safety measures in place. The military has expressed deep condolences and committed to assisting with the funerals of both the military and civilian victims. That concludes our top story tonight. Stay with us for further development and more news update on Didie News. I'm Agnisa Maulida Nurahma. Thank you for watching and good night.